Hey cuties, welcome to my channel. It's me Penny, and today in this video let's make a beautiful pen stand. Take a color paper and cut it into 8 pieces equally, and take one piece of paper with the help of a pen refill. Make a beautiful paper straw. In such a way, make 32 paper straws of your favorite color which make you feel aesthetic. Also make sure all 32 straws are of same size. If you feel confused of choosing the right colors, follow the color that I have used in my craft. Later, take a sticky notes and arrange each of the paper straws in an order in such a way that I have shown in my video. After arranging all the paper straws, keep your craft under the sun and let it dry for some time so that your craft will retain for a long time. And also don't keep your craft under the sun for a long time, otherwise your paper colors might change. When your craft is ready, if you keep pens in your craft, it will become pen stand. If you keep flowers in your craft, it will become flower vase. If you really like this video and if you feel really helpful, then like the video so that it can reach us to many people. Also, please share your opinion and also subscribe to my channel. It's me, Bunny. Thank you for watching the entire video.